Hey guys, welcome back to Rinky's Plate. I'm here again with another video. Okay, this time I'm going to stir fry vegetable with spaghetti. Okay, over here I have my broccoli, my cauliflower, my carrot, my bean, the flat bean here, my onion, my scallion, my thyme, all the pepper, color pepper over here, and my hot pepper right here. And in this container I have my garlic, and here I have my spaghetti. Okay, over in this dry container here is my dry ingredients. I have garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, lemon pepper, dash, and a Jamaica season. You know, so me not out of the Jamaica season. It make the food taste so good. Okay, my pot is on the fire with some salt, water. I'm going to put my spaghetti in it. Okay, so stay tuned. I will be right back. Spaghetti in the pot. Okay, my pot is on the fire, and I'm using this coconut oil. This one here, very good oil to cook with and to steam with. I'm not gonna put a lot in the pot. Okay, that's it. First, I am going to put my onion and my scallion and my pepper and thyme and all the thyme of pepper in the pot first. Easy to cook, easy. You stir fry vegetable. You don't want them to get soft. Okay? I'm gonna put my garlic in my pot. Okay? Lots of my carrot. Cauliflower. I'm gonna make my broccoli stay for the last. Okay. My dry seasoning to my pot. Okay, I'm gonna give this like 3 minutes, and then I put my carrot, my broccoli. Okay? I'm not gonna cover it right now. Let it just steam out a little. I don't want it to gather water. You know, when I cover the pot, it's steaming, but it put water. And I don't want the water. Yummy! Okay, I'm gonna add my broccoli to the pot. You know, you don't want your broccoli to mushy. Yes. So you can add your broccoli right now and turn off the stove. You can add them right now and turn off the stove. You just want to sink the broccoli them. Easily to cook. And you don't want them soft. If you want, optional. If you want, you can cook your broccoli soft. This is stir-fried veggie. Okay. Okay. I want to give it 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah. All right. Surely we'll be right back, okay? Okay, turn off my fire from my spaghetti. I strain it off. Good. You don't want no water in it. That's why I don't put a lot of spaghetti, because I don't want it drowned in my and I'm gonna mix everything together. Drown my vegetable, okay? Over here. Mix everything together. Okay? Here we go. Around the ring. Tell me something. It's looking nice, right? Looking so nice. Okay. Okay guys, this is my finishing look. Stir-fried vegetable spaghetti. Looking so good, tasting so good. You don't want this with nothing. Probably just a piece of garlic toast. And you're gonna clear. Tastes good. Guys, remember, please, I'm asking you, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, okay? And leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all subscribers.